Hey guys, I'm Robbie. I'm from Newport Richey, Florida, and this is my Subrosa owned bike check. Alright guys, I'm gonna break this down for you. Alright, this is the frame, the Subrosa Ohm in 27.5. I'm running the Gypsy grips, Noster bars, and the Shadow Odin stem. I'm running the Simo forks, the Shadow cymbal front hub laced to a trussed rim with 2 Shadow slider die pegs. Shadow killer cranks in 165mm, Shadow Maya sprocket in 25 tooth with a Shadow disaster guard, and I also have the Shadow Supreme chain. I also have the Shadow sealed alloy pedal. The Shadow seat clamp along with a Shadow seat post and the Joris Cologne Maya seat. For the back wheel, I have the Shadow Optimize free coaster and right hand drive laced to a Shadow trussed rim.